Today is September 28th, and it's a little after 12 o'clock Eastern Time. And this is the daily chart for the S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol SPY. And as of the time of this recording, it's currently trading at $433.80, and it's down $8.54. And these levels right here are support resistance levels I had identified last week in my other SPY review. And what I was doing was I was looking at this yesterday, and leading into the market close, I saw that it was closing on the weak side. So I went ahead and I bought two SPY puts, or bearish sentiment or equal to a short, going into today but expiring tomorrow. And again, I was watching the micro futures contracts during the overnight session, and it looked weak as well. Like, it wasn't really trying to go up. It just went mostly like sideways. But anyway, so when the market opened this morning, it gapped down, right? Because of early morning trading. And because of this, the puts that I bought yesterday at 86 cents are now trading at $6.35. And as of the time of this recording, I'm up a little over $1,000. And I got into this trade late yesterday, literally 10 minutes before the market closed at 350. So I bought these contracts 10 minutes before the market closed, and so far I'm up a little over 1,000. Earlier this morning when the market opened, it was up almost a little over $1,300, and the price was above $7.25. But in any case, these contracts expire tomorrow, September 29th, and my strike price was $441. And when I bought these were actually, the SPY was actually like 434. I'm sorry, 443. It was at 443. And here, going into last Friday, I thought we would see a rally for Monday, but that didn't work out. So these contracts went worthless. Thankfully, I only picked up one because, again, it was kind of iffy. It looked like it wanted to go up, but obviously it didn't. So, I was fortunate enough that I was only risking one contract, whereas here I picked up two contracts. And these contracts are currently designated ITM, or in the money. And so right here, when I bought these contracts yesterday, they were 3 strikes away from being in the money. So in the money is anything in the purple, right? So these are profitable trades. And when I bought these yesterday, they were out of the money. And since then, so my contract isn't listed here. So if I expand the contract, so my position is right here. So my contract is right now at $6.53. So yeah, so where this 83 cents is, this is where my contract was yesterday when it was at 86 cents. So the premium has increased that significant, right? So I'll be monitoring this trade even closer going into the afternoon session, which starts at 1 o'clock. So there's like another 45 minutes. And typically the afternoon session is what I'll be monitoring more carefully, because my concern is that we could possibly see a rebound, right? And a retest of the 435.60. If that retest does occur, then the premium to my contracts will lose value, right? Because I need a strong continuation to maintain the profitability for this trade. And considering that these contracts expire tomorrow, depending on what happens this afternoon, I may close it out while it's still at $6, above $6. And if all goes well, maybe we'll see another leg towards the downside, and the premium of my contracts will go from $6 to $10, hopefully, fingers crossed. So that's the status of this trade, and as the trade develops later today, I'll do another status check, and until then, more to follow. So it's a little update here. It's 1:08 p.m. and we just started the new 4-hour time frame. And SPY looks like it's starting to rebound, so I'm going to go ahead and close the trade out. And right now, price is at 756. I will go ahead and close that out. And trade is now profit of $1,200, so I'm going to close it out at 750. $754. Profit of 1,500 right here, 1,500. And let's see if it fiddles. There, closed it out at 758. Made a profit of 1,300 in a trade that I was in for less than 24 hours. So that was a good trade. I'll wait for the next setup. Now, price could still continue down. I mean, this could just be a short opening, and then in the overnight session, it could have a continuation towards the downside. But that's okay. I made my profit, and I'll just wait for the next setup. So until next trade, see ya.